Welcome back, Monty, Geometry, Shado Park. We're getting ready for week 8, November 2nd to the 6th. We finally finished one topic, topic 1. Throw it away, let's get ready for a new topic. Topic 2. Gotta have more cowbell. Topic 2, all about circles. Look at all this vocabulary we've got to start getting into our heads over the next week, week 8. But before we do that, let's do our shout outs from last week and say, wow, great job to people. So here we go for our shout outs from last week. Let's start out with Mathia. Mathia last week. Isabel, Kaiten, Alexis, Emma, Nathan, Abby, Claire, Allie, Gabe, Madison, Nathan H, Hunter, Michael, Colin, Quinn, and Logan, and Kayla. Wow, almost more than all the other weeks combined. In period 5 on Mathia, Kristen, Juan, Spencer, Maya, Riley, Hannah, Arthur, Matthew, Sarah, Ash, and Teddy. Nice job on Mathia. I know it's getting a little bit more difficult. We don't get as many problems done, but there's so many things that you can pick up by trying Mathia every week. So thank you for that. Okay, other shout outs. I want to do a special shout out to folks that have helped me out in class and our class discussions. In period 4, I want to say thank you to Isabel, Reliance, and Claire. All 3 of them stepping up and just making class better for all of us in our learning. In period 5, Carlene, Kristen, and Desiree did the same thing to help the class be better because of their questioning and their assistance. So thank you for that. And then we're starting honors geometry at the end of this next week. And several of you have replied that you're interested in the honors geometry, and I want to thank you for pushing yourself mathematically in this distance learning year. So we've got Maya E, Daniel E, Haley E, bunch of E's there, Hunter L, Reliance M, and Gabe G. Thank you for joining the honors geometry team and pushing yourself mathematically for the year. It's not too late, so if you want to reach out and join, you still can. All right? So I'll be back in a minute when we talk more about circles and all of this vocabulary. What is all that? See you in a minute. Hi, everybody. Monty, Geometry, Shado Park. Week 8. Halloween is over. Sugar high. November 2nd to the 6th. We have now completed topic 1. Let's move on. So take your book out, open it up, and we're going to be on page M1-111. M1-111. And we're on lesson 1. Lesson 1 is all about circles, okay? If we were in the classroom, we all get a hula hoop, okay? Got our hula hoop up for here. We have all this vocabulary to learn. But before we start talking about that, let's make a plan. Halloween is over. We're in November. The next 4 weeks, we're in topic 2. Topic 2. And what we do is we look at shapes, and we have a ton of vocabulary. All these words, and we get to do a lot of drawing. Okay? So it's kind of difficult with the whole vocabulary piece. Some of this I've sent home to you in the mailer to help so that we don't spend all of our time just writing out the vocabulary, but we spend more time maybe drawing lines and matching. Okay. First week in November, circles and vocabulary. Second week in November, it's all about quadrilaterals, four-sided objects. third week of November, okay, we've got some holidays coming up, don't we? We've got Veterans Day, which is a special week. We don't have school on Wednesday the 10th. Then we've got Thanksgiving coming up. That's going to be a short week. So over the next 4 weeks, circles, four-sided objects, polygons like a stop sign, and then it's all about triangles. Okay? I want you to keep in mind tons of vocabulary. We're going to spend more time trying to match symbols and vocabulary. So, a little bit on the boring side, but we'll do the best we can to make it interesting. So, for this week, it's going to be about circles, circumference, arc, radius, diameter, chord, secant, this idea of a central angle and an inscribed angle, and then this idea of a tangent line, okay? So I'll see you in class on Tuesday where we introduce ourselves to the circle. I think it would be cool if you found something to make circles with, okay? Now me, I'm a tape guy. I got blue tape everywhere. In the classroom, I would have blue tape. So I just use the inside or the outside of a tape roll. Find a lid or a little can, something you can make circles with. Because in most cases, we don't all have compasses and protractors and things to make formal circles with. Okay, here's another lid. Find something that you can draw lots of circles with, and then snap a photo and send it to me that you drew a diameter, a secant, a central angle. By the way, keep in mind that a circle is made up of 360 degrees. See you Tuesday.